Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2019 Forest River 26-foot Class C. Great coach, big rear storage, real light color. It's going to help keep the heat down there. Got all the amenities. I'm really looking forward to talking to you about this coach. Well, here we are inside the 2650 2019 Forest River, great Class C. We've got twin beds up front. It can be a king bed or two twins, lots of room. I like that feature with the twin beds because you can keep the children separated, or the two adults. It's big enough, it's strong enough, it's going to take it really well. We've got the Ford chassis, Triton V10. It's got the tow haul mode, so it's going to tow whatever you want comfortably. The inside, we've got a nice barrel chair right across from the booth dinette. The booth dinette is straight across from the TV with a built-in DVD player. Big fantastic fan in the ceiling near the front overhead bunk, so it's going to get the heat out of there. The kitchen's got a big round sink. It's really great. In the travel mode, you can still get all the way to the back, all the way to the front. Big fridge. It's got the oven and the microwave. I love that feature. Gosh, there's a lot of great stuff in this coach. It's got that medium walnut finish. Love the brown. Gosh, great coach, very clean. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, give me a holler. Thanks.